Hi everyone, this is Jennifer. I'm here to walk you through how to find your Turnitin feedback, the Turnitin feedback percentage, the similarity score, and your grades when you submit your midterm or your final essay. So we're starting here from the front page of our class. Next, we'll click on your Assignments tab. You'll see a whole list of all of the assignments that you've turned in. Today we're concentrating on the midterm. This is for our test student, Jenny Grade. Next, we view history, so you click the button View History. We're looking for our midterm or our final essay. Today, midterm. Click Apply. You'll see your Turnitin similarity score for this particular document. It's listed right here. I want you to click the colored bar. Everyone will have a different percentage and the color changes based on that percentage. Today this is 1%. This opens up the whole Turnitin feedback comments application. You will see a sample paper that I wrote, our cover page, and we'll scroll down, and here is some sample comments. They can look blue like this, or they will be highlighted like this with a thought bubble with more information. The full body of text comments that I type for you can be found in this thought bubble over here on the right hand side of the screen. Your Turnitin feedback score is in this box here. That will tell you where that particular quote or particular portion of the text was quoted or also used. This will give you all of the publications that it was used in. If you have any questions about a high percentage of a Turnitin feedback score, this will give you a lot more information. This is the exact same information I can see as the instructor, so you and I are not viewing anything different. Again, my full instructor feedback in this thought bubble here. I did not write any for our sample student, but you will find all of yours right here. Let's review. In the body of your text, you can find my sample feedback that will look blue or highlighted with a thought bubble to give more information. Please read all of the blue highlights or the blue text and the highlights with the thought bubbles, as well as the full instructor feedback column on the right hand side here. Let's do that one more time. We'll close that window, go back to our course home. You find your feedback by clicking Assignments, viewing History, find your project, click the midterm, hit Apply, see your Turnitin similarity score, highlight that bar, click, it opens the application, scroll through your paper, and find all of my written comments. They can be blue or highlighted with a thought bubble to give you more information. Lastly, all of the written comments over here on the right side of the page, instructor feedback in this thought bubble. I'll list it right here. Last thing, review the match of your Turnitin similarity score, all of the matches, all of the publications, in case you're curious. Hopefully that details all of the questions that you may have. Please let me know if you have any more questions. I'm happy to answer. Just send me an email anytime. Thanks.